How to find recent ad activity settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find recent ad activity settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then just you will find this one here after you click settings and privacy, recent and ad activity, and as you see here you can find it, and then you can manage anything you want, and that's it. That's how to find recent ad activity on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.